Hey, Tom here. All right, so I just saw this post by Felix from Lovable about this right-click to download SVG thing, and I realized, I haven't done this yet with Base Dash. We used to have it, and then we redid the website, and I never added it back, and I thought this would be a really great use case for, let's try it in Framer. I don't know if this will work, but with the new Framer AI stuff. So I'm in the Base Dash website. I've got the header open. I'm just doing this live. Okay, let's see here. Let's create a component. I'm going to call this header logo. Create. Oh, nope, that's not how you do it. Okay, let's see here. How do we do this? I've done it before. Insert. Oh, this is one thing I have feedback on the Framer team. I know I can do these assets, new component. No, that does it down there. New with AI. It's super buried. I'm not sure what that's so far down. Okay, let's try to make this. I'll use my voice. Okay, so basically I want to make a right click to download header component. So I want to be able to right click on my header, have the SVG logo show up as the background image, and I want to have a couple menu options that fly out. One is download as SVG, one is download PNG, one is download full brand mark, one is download partial brand mark. And yeah, let's start there. I want to make it so that the options can be configured over time, and I need properties for the files that are going to be downloadable, and that should be it. Okay, let's see how it does it. So this is pretty quick. It just does its thing. Plops it in there. Come on, Framer. Now the tricky part about this is actually the right click. You can do. Oof, okay, what's going on here? Brand header. Okay, let's preview this. That's probably close. Background. Let's get rid of the background. 0% background. Brand header. SVG logo. Menu options. That's good. Down to SVG. Type SVG, PNG, full brand, partial brand. Okay, that's good. But I need it to be able to hold my logo. Pretty good, but I want to be able to also add my own logo in there as the default image that shows up. So I have an SVG. I want to be able to upload it. Not the downloadable asset. I just want to be able to show. You know what? Let's rephrase this. Let's use the full brand asset as the background image in addition to being an option for download. All right, let's see if that works. Then I don't have to do a new asset. And then if I update one, it does both. Okay, let's see here. Full brand logo. I confused it. No, I want to use the same logo for the background of the header as I do for the full brand logo. Okay, so let's do. Okay, there it is. Cool. Make sure that the background image scales with the bounding box. I want it to fill horizontally and scale vertically. Not quite one shot. Oh, no, that's not it. Now it's filling vertically. No, I want it to fill the vertical space of the bounding box, but I want it to be centered in the middle of the box, so the height will dictate the size of the logo. This is where prompting is really imprecise. I know the property controls of this. I know exactly how to do this in Framer. I don't really know how to say it. I don't know the exact terminology. Centered. I find these follow-up questions are a little bit hard to see. Sometimes okay, that was really quick. So okay, what did it do? That's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay. Get rid of the text. Cool. All right, so download header. Let's push this. Now the only concern I have is that this menu is not going to be good. Home page. Okay, let's test this out. Let's see if I click on this. Right click. Yeah, now I have to style that. Okay. Should this all be one component? Yeah, let's just keep it all as one component. Okay, so let's just do this. This is this is weird. I have rows. I have a component that I want to use for this. Restyle the menu to be dark mode. I want to have color props for the background of the overflow menu and for the text inside of there. And I want to also have props for the hover background color of each of the rows. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it finally worked. Don't know what happened there. That's fine. Okay, so I want the background to be transparent, menu background to be my card background, menu text, let's use white, menu hover, I want that to be white border should be good. Let's test this out. Good, that's fine. Don't love the hover state though. The hover on the rows is too slow. Turn it down to 50 milliseconds. And yet another thing where the AI is imprecise, like I know exactly what that's going to look like, but being able to tune that and be able to understand like what the difference is between 50 milliseconds and 100 milliseconds or less that's better. Down SVG, brand mark, partial brand mark. Okay, I'll get rid of the partial. Get rid of the partial brand mark one. Let's try it out. SVG, PNG, full brand mark. Get rid of the custom cursor. Cool. Awesome. That should work. All right. Well, that's how you do it in Framer. That's the Base Stash logo. And I'll upload the right stuff there for people to be able to download that, and it should be in the header and should be good to go. And maybe, can I publish this? Yeah, I'll try to share this. I'll put it in a blog on the Base Stash website so that people can download it and you can use it in your own Framer site. If you don't want to go through the motions of all that prompting, it should save you some time. All right, see ya.